Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by ZAKI. Today we are going to discuss about the Google map of the universe. So see what is Google map of the universe and what are the new findings and what are these telescope, and basically it is a radio telescope situated in Australia and it is a great plant. So let's move forward. Google map of the universe. Basically, it is Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder. And in short, we can call it ASKAP, ASKAP. Is a new type of radio telescope developed by the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, and we simply call it CSIR. CSIR. It creates a high resolution images by combining the signals of 36 small dish antennas. So basically, why this telescope is new? So recently, this telescope had helped map around 300 million galaxies in the approximately 300 hours, create a new atlas of the universe, or we call it Google map of the universe. So just like Earth, where you find Air India and Australia and that's all, then that's like that you can find there is some type of galaxy where is Andromeda galaxy, where is the our Milky Way galaxy, and so on. So that's why it is called Google map of the universe. So basically this group of telescopes is basically called Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder, or we can simply call it ASKAP. So the first light of the Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder was in October 2012. So what is first light in the field of astronomy or the telescope? Basically, the first light in astronomy means the first use of a telescope. If you use first time in the telescope, and what are you observe? It called first light of the first light in astronomy. So let's move forward. The array consists of 36 identical parabolic antennas. So in animation, we see that these 36 antenna and all that. So the antenna work together as a single astronomical interferometer. So it is work as astronomical interferometer. So in animation, we see these astronomical interferometer. So interferometer, and in next slide, and we also discuss about what is astronomical interferometer. So each antenna is a 12-meter diameter. It has 12-meter diameter. The antenna are spread over the collecting area about 4,000 square meter. Basically, all that is in the Australia. So every antenna is repeated with the phased array feed. So every antenna fitted with the device, and we call it phase array feed. So what is phase array feed? So let's discuss about that. What is phased array field? Next slide. What is phased? What is a phased array field? So, see, phased array field create a beam of radio waves. So, it is also called radio telescopes. Radio wave that can be electronically guided to point in different direction without moving the antennas. So this, why this is significant? Because this increases the field of view of the telescope. So this telescope is also considered the largest radio telescope. So move forward and know about what is an astronomical interferometer. So interferometer. So what is device? Basically, it is an array of separate telescopes that work together as a single telescope or provide higher resolutions of images of the astronomical object such as nebulae, stars, and galaxy, and so on. And it is give a clear picture of the various objects like quasar, pulsar. So it is called astronomical interferometer. So here is a small animation of Australian square kilometer array pathfinder, or and we simply call it ASKA. So see the animation. Basically, it is situated in Australia, near the Australian western part of the Australia here. So see about so see here. So basically, this place is called Nutrition Radio Astronomy Observatory. Basically, it is simply called and situated in the Western Australia. So see here. And basically, these consist of 36 identical antennas. These are the antennas you see this picture and forward. So see. So this is the very powerful device fitted in antennas. So you see, and this is the center where all data processed and the combined picture of the universal object in the universe like galaxies, quasar, pulsar, stars, black holes, and etc. will be found in future and in the present form. So see how these antennas are work in this a small animation. So see, this is antenna, and the diameter of this antenna is equal to 12 meter. So it is Australian square kilometer array pathfinder antenna. So see how these antenna work together, and so see this is automatically moved. This is about spread about the 4,000 square meter. So that is approx. If you see the length, it is 1 kilometer. So it is more than kilometer. So that's why it is called a square kilometer. So that's why it is called Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder. So see. And that is a phase of field, and that is connected with the all small antennas with the center situated and a processing center situated in Australia. So that's all the animation about the Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder. So that's all about the animation. So move forward. Survey Science Project. So what is Survey Science Project and the Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder? So what is Survey Science Project of the Australian square kilometer area Pathfinder? So around 75% of the observing time of the telescope was used for large survey science project. So it is intended to study the gas evolution and galaxy formation in the universe. So it looked about the where is the galaxy was in initial stage and what is the evolutions of the gas present in the universe. So and another work basically it's also aimed to study about the evolution of the magnetic field of the galaxies and the formation of galaxies, how galaxies form and how the magnetic field generated by some of the galaxies, quasar, and also observe the magnetic waves of the black hole. So basically the evolutionary map of the universe. Basically, it is basically dedicated to the evolutionary map of the universe. So we can easily understand how our universe and began and what kind of the process involved in the formation of the universe. So the evolutionary map of the universe is a large project of the Australian square kilometer area. So let's move forward. The map of the universe is to be created by using the telescope make a census of radio sources. Basically, these telescopes capture the radio waves of source of the radio waves emitting from the various heavenly body, which is galaxy, stars, black hole, or dwarf star, or it is basically red giants and quasar pulsar. So if you need to know more about that, you can interact with directly by Zoom and other such platform, and basically you can also join my platform, and basically all these materials also available on my blog. So you can also my number given in the blog and address etc. So you can contact contact with me for the further clarification. So, but one thing remember, you must subscribe my channel for this kind of video, and basically this is also published in various science magazines, Science Direct, and all that. So let's forward by tracking the radio sources of the galaxies, black holes, and several other universal bodies can be detected. So after the source of radio wave, the telescope will detect galaxies, some new black holes, some new body in universe, and then map where is these universal body are situated. So the project is expected to detect more than 70 million radio sources. So that's all about um, this new radio telescope. So we move forward on our next section. Next section is question for the UPSC. Question for the UPSC. Consider the following statement. Number one, ASKAP and Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder is intended to study the gas evolution and galaxy formation in the universe. Number one. Number two is ASKAP also aims to study about the evolution of the magnetic field in the galaxies. Which of the above statements is correct? A only, B only, 2 only, A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So give right answer or write in the comment box, and see the answer in our next video. So before we going to forward, we also appeal you to subscribe my channel, tell your friend, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and also share about these information. These information are very significant for the UPSC basically 2021. And one thing you remember, in 2019 question asked from gravitational waves, in 2020 question asked from ELISA, and this is also a project of the telescope and detecting the black holes, radio waves from the black holes, galaxy, and etc. So why this chapter or this video is very significant for the civil services examination, basically civil services, UPSC civil services examination. So move forward. Answer of the previous question. Consider the following: Rodinia, Nuna, Valvara, Pangea. Chronologically arrange the above supercontinent. So arrange these supercontinent chronologically, means first oldest supercontinent come first and the newest last. So choice A 1, 2, 3, 4. Choice B 2, 1, 4, 3. Choice C 3, 2, 1, 4. And choice D 4, 3, 2, 1. So the oldest supercontinent is Valvara. So number one is Valvara. So number one is here, Valvara, and second is Luna. So second is Luna. Okay. Second is Luna, and third is Rodinia. Okay. So third is Rodinia, and last Pentagon. So answer is so answer is so. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of question, and tell your friend and colleagues about our initiation. Basically, these videos especially made for the civil services aspirant, basically who are preparing for the civil services examination in 2021. So don't forget to subscribe, share my channel, comment in the inbox, and if you want more knowledge or more interaction with the teacher like me and other, some of our colleagues is also very expert in the polity, economy, and all matters. So you can contact via my blog. My blog is same as my channel, Current Affairs for UPSC by ZAKI. So you can also subscribe my blog and also join my group and like my page with the same name, Current Affairs for UPSC by ZAKI. So hope we will meet in the next video with the new topic and give the answer of this video's question. So thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.